when we are talking about theatres not being full and ticket prices being one of the reasons, I'm standing at a very iconic spot in Delhi where if you listen closely, you will hear the cheers, the screams, the laughter of audience from very close by. And it's almost a full house. And today is Friday, which means a new film has come out. And it's 5 p.m., which means it's not even the peak hour for people to come in. And yet, this single screen, actually, it's a hybrid model. But yes, the originally single screen theatre is full. This is Delight Cinema in Delhi. And if you've heard of Old Delhi and you know of all the iconic monuments and you know of all the great places to eat, and you have not heard of this place, then maybe you should do your research better and take a trip here because you will not just watch a film, you will be stepping into a point of history where ministers, dignitaries, and the who's who of Bollywood would come all the way just to watch a film. But instead of me telling you about the history of this place and how it has managed to survive in today's time, after being established in the 1950s, especially when we are talking about multiplex screens becoming the norm, we'll talk to the person who has been the rock behind this place, Mr. Shashank Raizada. Welcome, sir.
Uh, the rock has been my dad.
Okay, sir.
Without that rock,
The foundation
we
wouldn't-
would have been pebbles.
Okay, sir.
He had the guts, and he went through the hardship of making this cinema after buying such an expensive place. My sincere efforts was to so that my father's legacy should continue. So it was very close to my heart, so I did not let it go down. I have faced challenges, video piracy. I'm facing the web series, where I'm facing the serial series, and all those things I have faced. But I'm very confident with the content coming in. Even multiplexes would survive. Even I would say their ticket prices are also because of the huge rents which they are paying. It is not their fault that because they have got a place which is rented at a very fantastic rent. So, but what I am doing, I'll keep on doing.
So, sir, tell me, you used to come to this theatre as a child. Then you, of course, did your studies, and then you took over from your father from a very young age. And it has been years and decades, and you have seen everything, I would say, right? The rise, fall, the challenges. So, sir, tell me, what is that one thing that has kept you going all these years? When you look at this hall, and especially with the rise of the multiplex.
Upgradation and making it the most beautiful hall which you can have a look all around, and the latest technology whereby people don't feel that they have come to a place which is run down, and luxury feeling at reasonable rates.
So tell me a bit about the history of when this hall came up and what did this place look like? What did the surroundings look like?
I'll tell you the history. The Britishers left with New Delhi 1, that is Connaught Place, and the balance New Delhi. After the Britishers went, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had a dream to make New Delhi 2. So this is not Old Delhi, this is on the periphery of Old Delhi and New Delhi, and it is New Delhi 2.
Right.
So there was a wall which was running all along Shahjahanabad, which you see the gate still there, Turkman Gate, Delhi Gate are there, Ajmeri Gate is there. So the line along with this wall was auctioned to make it a street which had cinemas, which had hotels, which had all kind of offices. So then my father in 1950 took the risk and purchased this land at a record price of 6,21,000 in 1950, whereby you could buy an entire colony at those rates. Although the reserve price by the Delhi Improvement Trust, now who are DDA now, was very less, 33,000 rupees. But he had a dream. And even when he started, all kinds of things used to happen, like stage show, solo performance of Mukesh, performance of magic shows. Gogia Pasha and Dev Kumar were very famous magicians. Then there were many drama and dance festivals, like Korean dance festivals. And President, Prime Minister And I don't think so there is any star of that era who has not come to this cinema. As far as your question is the relevance of larger screen format, you will be surprised to note that even now, all the top stars which exist right now in the Bollywood industry, they have come here and promoted their film from this place. It is not that the yesterday's star, Akshay Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan, I would say Jackie Shroff, Aishwarya Rai, Anil Kapoor. There's hardly anybody, Malika Sherawat, who was that murder, Mohit Suri's picture. So, Mahesh Bhatt. So, the people came here because it was, even in today in Bombay, if you talk about delight, the producers want this cinema to be signed first for screening their movies. So, the main catch is how do you maintain?
But would you, for example, if somebody is coming from outside Delhi or somebody who doesn't know about this place in Delhi, would you recommend this place for a movie?
Yeah, we will surely recommend. It's just a nice place.
किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सक्सेस के पीछे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं एंड कभी कभी उनके जो एम्प्लॉयज़ होते हैं उनके वजह से ही मोस्टली चीज़ें स्मूथली चलती है. सो मैं एक ऐसे इंसान के साथ खड़ी हूँ जो इस थिएटर के साथ और शशांक जी के साथ 45 ईयर्स से जुड़े हुए हैं. तो राजकुमार मल्होत्रा जी जो है वो इतने सालों से यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं, सर के साथ ऑलमोस्ट डेली रहे हैं. तो सर हमें कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग किस्से बताइए इस 45 इयर्स में जो आपके लिए स्टैंड आउट हुए, स्पेशली क्योंकि सब लोग आते थे यहाँ पे. तो उनके बारे में कुछ किस्से बताइए.
वैसे तो यहाँ जितने फेमस एक्टर थे जो वो सबकी यहाँ विजिट हुई है, प्रीमियर होते थे, एक्टर्स आते थे. मुझे एक मेरी मेमोरी में आज भी वो फ्रेश है. एक प्रीमियर फिल्म थी त्रिमूर्ति.
जी.
त्रिमूर्ति में बहुत बड़ी स्टार कास्ट थी, सुभाष का ही डायरेक्टर थे
जी. और
उस फिल्म में उसमें शाहरुख खान, अनिल कपूर, जैकी श्रॉफ, बहुत लंबी चौड़ी स्टार कास्ट थी
जी.
और जिस दिन वो प्रीमियर हुआ, रात में नाइट शो में हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी और बारिश हो रही थी. उस बीच में ये लोग सारे एक्टर्स आए
जी.
और बाहर आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, उस समय शाहरुख खान और इन सब के लिए बाहर बारिश में, दिसंबर शायद 2 या 3 दिसंबर की बात है, बारिश में लोग भीगते हुए भी उनका इंतज़ार कर रहे थे और उनको चेयर्स करने के लिए बाहर खड़े थे और करीब करीब 6 घंटे से खड़े थे. ये मेरी मेमोरी में आज तक कभी ताज़ा है.
और हमने सुना है ऐसे, मतलब किस्सा किसी ने बताया है कि सलमान खान जी ने भी टिकट सेल किया है यहाँ पे, ये सच है?
जी हाँ, एक फिल्म आई थी सलमान खान की जिसमें उन्होंने काउंटर से फर्स्ट टिकट बेचा था
जी.
और ऑडियंस में करीब 1-1.5 घंटे तक वो टिकट की सेल करते रहे अपनी फिल्म को प्रमोट करने के लिए.
और उसके बाद ये कौन सी लंदन ड्रीम्स आई थिंक.
लंदन ड्रीम्स. विपुल शाह उसके डायरेक्टर थे
जी.
Opened in 1954, the theatre was a multi-entertainment center. Prithviraj Kapoor's plays, Indo-Russian film festivals, Gogya Pasha's magic shows and Mukesh's concerts all found a stage here. Bengali and Punjabi films also played to packed houses. It still offers today what multiplexes do not: affordable ticket prices and frothy machine coffee, huge samosas and salted popcorn that do not set anyone's monthly budget back.
मेन रीज़न ये है कि पहले पुराने दिल्ली में बहुत सारे सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर थे, यहाँ एक गोलचा भी था, लेकिन जब मल्टीप्लेक्स आए ना तो वो धीरे धीरे बंद हो गए. तो मल्टीप्लेक्स में वो वाइब नहीं आता जो सिंगल स्क्रीन में.
तो अकेले आते हो कि दोस्तों के साथ आते हो?
नहीं, वैसे मैं दोस्तों के साथ आता हूँ, लेकिन ये सैयारा मोहित सूरी की मूवी है तो मेरी एक्स ने मुझे चीट कर दिया था, तो मैं वो दर्द महसूस करने आया हूँ आज.
तो आपने बोला वाइब यहाँ पे बेसिकली अच्छी है. तो क्या है, मतलब ऐसा क्या है कि क्राउड एकदम से रिएक्ट करती है हर सीन में?
एक तो ये सिनेमा बहुत पुराना है ना, तो यहाँ लोगों को इसके बारे में पता है. बहुत सी मूवी मैंने PVR वगैरह में भी देखी है, लेकिन ना वहाँ क्राउड ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. तो वहाँ ना वो मज़ा नहीं आता, ऐसा लगता है घर पे मोबाइल में मूवी देख रहा हूँ. और उनकी स्क्रीन भी छोटी होती है. एक मिराज सिनेमा है मयूर विहार फेज 1 में, उसकी स्क्रीन काफ़ी छोटी लगती है.
तो बड़ी स्क्रीन में आपको?
हाँ, बड़ी स्क्रीन में. और जब शाउटिंग होती है ना यहाँ, अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे, जैसे यहाँ जब भी सलमान भाई की मूवी लगती है तो क्राउड पागल हो जाता है.
तो वो अच्छा लगता है आपको?
अच्छा लगता है.
अभी भी बहुत वैसे शोर हो रहा है तो आपको पता चलेगा.
आज तो दिल टूटे आशिका है.
This is Tina Das reporting from Delhi with Mohammad Hamad. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you.